Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to hide private photos. Firstly, open the Photos app on your iPhone device. Next, select all the photos you want to hide. Tap on Select and mark multiple photos. You can also continue with a single photo if you want. Once you are done, tap on these three dots from your bottom right corner. Here, you will find the option of Hide. Tap on it. Then tap on the Hide Photos button to confirm it. All of your selected photos will be hidden. Now to see your hidden images, go back and scroll down. In the utility section, you'll see the option of hidden. Tap on it, and after entering your Face ID, you'll find your hidden photos here. Now if you need to unhide them, select the photos and tap on these three dots from your bottom right corner. Here, you'll get the option of unhide. Now they'll get back in your Photos app. So that is how you can hide private photos. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.